Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Bank of China account. For that, first of all, launch Bank of China application on your device. Once the application is opened, you will see this interface. Make sure you have selected the country and language for yourself. Once you do that, here you will see login option available there. Simply tap on login option. Then your login page will be opened. You just have to simply enter your username and password to log into your account. If you have not registered for your account, then simply tap on register button right here to register your account. Let's type username at first. Now enter your password. If you do not remember your username or password, then simply tap on forgot username or password option available there. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply tap on login button to log into your account. In this way, you can easily log into Bank of China account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.